And ladies and gentlemen, if we can have your attention for just a moment, we need to point out the safety features of this Boeing 737 MAX 8. You'll find that safety information card located in the seat back pocket in front of you. To fasten the seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle. To release, lift up on the buckle. Position your seatbelt low and tight across your hips and wear it anytime you're seated. If needed, there'll be 8 emergency exits on board, 2 forward exit doors, 4 over the wing and 2 in the back, signs overhead and lights on the floor. They'll lead you to exits. In the event of a water evacuation, please leave everything and follow flight attendant instructions. A life vest is located underneath the seat. Pull the red strap to open the containers, remove the pouch. Place the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, buckle in the front, and pull to tighten. Once you're safely outside the aircraft, you want to pull on the red tab to manually inflate, breathe into the tube at your shoulder. A light bulb will illuminate as we're all just splashing into the water. This aircraft is equipped with life rafts located in the ceiling compartment. We have 2 in the forward area and 2 mid-cabin. Flight attendants are now passing through the cabin, making sure your seatbelts are fastened, your seat back and your tray table are in the full upright and locked position, and all the carry-on items you brought in with you need to be completely stowed underneath the seat in front of you, leaving the area around your feet clear. As always, absolutely no smoking is allowed on board the aircraft, and that includes the lavatories. Our federal laws prohibit tampering, disabling, or damaging smoke alarms in aircraft lavatories. Federal aviation regulations require your passenger compliance with lighted safety information signs and crew member instructions, including the instructions regarding your seatbelts and smoking. And if needed, 4 oxygen masks will drop from the compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until that plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and begin to breathe more normal, securing with the elastic strap. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not fully inflate. Continue to wear that mask unless otherwise notified by a crew member. If you're traveling with children or anyone needing special attention, please place your mask on first. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the very short 4-hour, 40-minute flight down to Costa Rica. Welcome aboard. You're on Southwest Airlines. Gentlemen, for your traveling enjoyment, we'll be dimming the cabin lights. If you need an additional reading light, please press the button with the light bulb up above. We certainly hope you enjoy your flight today. Welcome aboard.